least favorite basketball. Okay, we play lots of basketball in our house. So I brought his favorite basketball from home and I started thinking about shapes. And then I saw this on my desk. Thomas, what are you noticing about these shapes?
They're both round.
They're both round. Baz, can you add on?
One's tiny, one's flat.
Whoa. Were you gonna make that connection to 3D and flat? What's going on with this?
One's bigger.
Cassidy, what are you noticing? Wow, did you hear that math vocabulary, guys? 4 vertices. I've got some shapes, and now we've got to figure out how they're gonna match. Okay, Delphine, tell us about this shape. And you place it on the cone. I hear someone saying though, I think it's something else.
Pyramid.
Wait, hold on, I want to hear her thinking. Hold on. So Delphine, are you changing your answer? Can you tell me why you're changing your answer? Oh, and does the cone have a square on the bottom? She was really brave, you guys, to share her mathematical thinking with us. And then she changed it. Mathematicians change their thinking all the time. We've got a cone and a pyramid. Can you turn and talk to someone next to you? How are these the same? How are these different?
And so the top is the same, and the bottom's different.
Your job as an investigator is going to be to look with your mathematician eyes for objects around our classroom. Eyes with your math partner. Mathematicians, stand and explore. Let's try